Hey guys, and welcome to Ivy's Coupon Camp. And today we are doing our coupon insert preview. Okay, and also along with that is Menards couponing haul. Guys, if you have a Menards, I live in the Midwest, so I don't know. If you have a Menards, go there. I am getting overage with the big coupons. Let me show you all, because these was last week inserts. Okay. This is giving me overage. And this is going to make a 20-pack of Finish $1. Because I'm going to use the overage from this. And then these are free. I do not know what insert they come out of, guys. I cut them beforehand. So come on and shop with me at Menards. Let's go. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this channel with someone that you know need some free essentials. We're building a free stockpile. Remember that. It's all about the free stockpile. Okay? Okay, that's how my Menards look, guys, like that. Okay? Now, you all know I did buy some fall decorations out of there too. So go look at my Clean With Me and fall decoration video that I put up last night. Late. I hate putting up late videos. Okay, it's crust 2.4. Those are too small. You can use that Colgate coupon. See that? 4 point. That makes them free. Those are free. Okay, guys, these are the ones right here. $2.24. It's 11% off rebate, or 11% off period. And then I have the overage from the BIC, and we're going to use the $1 off coupon. So I'm going to do a couple of these. I'm going to grab 4, 6, and there's tons of them left. Do you guys use extra? Oh my cousin, I told y'all the thing about my cousin, she only uses extra. Weird. Okay. I also buy these big extras right here, but I have 2 at home. Guys, look at all this sanitizer. Look at that. Watch it, guys. All that sanitizer ain't good sanitizer. So glad this is free. So we're gonna get 6 of those because we can use 2 at a time. We're gonna make 3 transactions. Okay. Okay, I don't think it's new. It's coupons this week. I'll check and see. So there's one, guys, in here. So this is where I grab my newspapers from. They're $2.15. That's fine, because whatever else I need after that, I'll order. Yeah, see, wow, they always have these crazy. These are $1.18 for the drill big cook kits. Or these, I'm getting ready to grab a couple of these. Okay, guys, I grabbed 2 each of those. My husband said those are good buys. He was like, grab 2 of those. Okay, so I found out I need some safety glasses, so I'm gonna grab 2 pair of these. When I started my DIYs back, and trust me, I need them. So guys, here's the BIC. These the ones we're using. They $2.82. So we're gonna have 92. We're gonna have 18-cent overage. So you can only use 2 at a time. So I'm gonna grab 6, 4, 5, 6. And I think that's it for my big coupons. And if so, that ends our shopping. Yay! And I can go get my pet food. Okay, guys, you see this right here? If you mail in a rebate, these is 96 cents. I don't know. You all know about rebates? I might get one so I can show you all how to do a rebate. Let me grab it. Okay, we had some Keurig beignets came out a couple of weeks ago. They 96 cents. And I did not bring those, nor did I cut them out, because I have not been finding them. But that's why I tell you to come in these stores, little stores that you wouldn't be conventional with. These hardware stores, hit up the hardware stores. So you can get the 59 cents. That's those cotton balls and stuff. I'm okay without that. Okay. And I always buy this twin box of hamburger helper for $1.25. So instead of buying 2 boxes, 1 box is $1.25. That's a good deal because it's usually 99 cents or $1.25 for 1 box. Okay, guys, so we are back from Menards. And let me tell you about this fantastic haul that I just did. Freebies, freebies, freebies. Okay, so this is gonna start off with the big. We had a $3 coupon. I used every one of those coupons, might I add, but I don't think they expired yet. So if you could order them, order the $3 big. The Bic was $3. These work whenever you see Bic and a registered trademark, the little circle with the R in it, you could use it on any Bic. It just depends on the cash register if it take it. So these in Menards was $2.82. I grabbed 2 of these because that's the limit. Okay. These were free. They was $1.46, and you could do these up to $2. So I grabbed 2 of those. This is my goodie right here. This was $2.24. You automatically get 11% off of the in Menards. So that took this down to $1.99. Then I used the Finish Quantum, that $1 off that's on the front of the coupon insert from last week. I used the Finish Quantum one, and that was $1 off. So they took it down to 99 cents. Okay, with the 18 cents from here, that took this down to 88 cents. Okay, 88 cents for these, or was it 82 cents? It was 88 or 82 cents for 20 in the pack. Now, if I can get these free, you guys know free is better than paying anything out of your pocket. But for 20 of these for 88 cents. These are new. They gel packs all in one. They are fantastic. I love them. So 88 cents for all of this. So 88 cents a piece for all of this. So 88, 140 something or 160 something. So that's okay. I'm okay with paying that, guys. This was a good haul. Now, this is the thing. People, what are you going to do with that? Let me show you. Oh, they were 81 cents. I take that back. 81 cents. I'm doing my math now. So, 0.81 plus 0.81. I paid $1.62 for this entire order. Go grab these, guys. Now, let's get on to our coupon insert preview. Okay, we had one insert this week, and it was the Retail Me Not. And this is how it's gonna look. So whenever I'm using coupons, if I don't refer to it, if I say the new coupon pack, this is the one. So if you all use Boost, $4 off 2 Boosts, that's a good deal. Oh, look what's back, the Dow. But look, guys, it's $1 off 2 Dow. But let's look at that. Men Tone Body Wash, or 12 count of larger. So you can get that small one. And you might could kind of do something with some overage, okay? If we have any overage dropping this week. $2 off Herbal Essence. So kind of watch that deal, because sometimes you'll get those at Dollar General. And here you are, the $1 off Listerine. And these $1 off Ready Tabs, watch it, because I've been getting them for like 45 cents, okay? The Nicorette, whoever smoked, my husband do, I wish he'd use that. And here's my favorite, Back Again, which my cats could not eat. It made them throw up. But I get them for my daughter's cat because she can't eat it. Buy 5, get 5. That's a very good deal. And the Zyrtec is a good coupon if you have allergies, which is me, and which I do use Zyrtec. Family Dollar. Someone asked me why I didn't do Family Dollar. Never have luck in there with my coupons. So I'll probably try digital. This Folgers is a good deal. They usually have a good deal off on Folgers in Walgreens. Okay. Oh, okay. $1 on 2 Kellogg's cereal. And it's all those different cereal. that might be a good deal at CVS when they have the 2 off 8 cereal breakfast food. The equal $1.50. My mom been grabbing these for like 50 cents with this coupon, so be looking out for that, guys. If you use equal, you might could grab it with those coupons for 50 cents or less. So that is it for the coupons. Oh, okay, Central. If you go in Dollar General, but you gotta go quickly because they leave quick, you could get these bottles of Centrum for $1 if you use this coupon. Okay, so try that coupon. Yeah, 50 count. You might be able to use that, or it might glitch and let you use it on the cheaper Centrums, the lower count Centrum. Okay, so thanks guys for tuning in to the coupon insert preview and my Menards haul. Thanks for coming with me. Remember that, guys, $1.62 for all of these products. Free is better than paying anything out of your pocket. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I love you. Hit like, subscribe, share my channel, and make sure you share my channel, guys, with people who need good savings. Of course, you all see my cat at the door. Wow. Thanks, guys. Bye.